Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package from Sweet Kawaii. I don't know how a rubber band got stuck in there, but apparently it did in the mail. Does your mailman do that? Does he put like packages together with a rubber band? Mine does. Okay, this is a monthly subscription that I get from Sweet Kawaii, and I do love it. And I keep this sticker even, and I keep the bag because I can use them in other things. And what I do with the sticker is I cut out the little guys, and I use that in something because they're so stinking cute. Although I am getting quite a collection over here of them. I need to use them. Oh my goodness. I can tell I like it already with the ice cream. It says, thanks for subscribing, and then it has, I don't know which one it is. Oh well, we'll just open it. I'm not sure. She has 2 subscription boxes, and I do both. Oh my goodness. And she is very generous with her things. Oh, that's a good saying. Don't let your ice cream melt while you're counting someone else's sprinkles. Oh, that's good. I like that. And you can use this as a just a little dashboard in your planner if you want to. So it also tells you how to write on these stickers because they are vinyl. And this kit is called Ice Cream Dreams, and there's 10 sheets in here. And there's one that says Kawaii Kit paid, Kawaii Kit shipped, and then it tells you when. So I think that's cute. I like the extra reminder. Look at these little banners. Every day should start with coffee and end with ice cream. A problem only ice cream can solve. Now my dad used to love ice cream, and he would get a bowl of ice cream almost every night. So when that said an end with ice cream, it reminded me of him. And I'm not saying he had a little bowl of ice cream. He had a bowl of ice cream. It was cute. So there's to-dos in all the pretty colors, and more to-dos, and Monday through Sunday like checklists. And look at those cold drinks. Those look good even. Ice cream banners, a banana, well, goodness, I got all excited. A banana split. Now that was my mom's favorite, so that's cute. Look how cute these are. So I've just been sitting here thinking, should I share this story? And I'm going to. So my dad only got to see Katie until she was 1. He passed away when she was 1. I said that all weird. My dad passed away when my daughter was 1. And one of the things he loved was being a grandpa. And he even had a shirt that said, grandpas are for triple scoop ice cream or something like that. And he would always say to Katie that he wanted to take her out for a double scoop ice cream, and then he would say, nope, a triple scoop. And actually I think his shirt said grandpas are for double scoop ice cream. And my mom had a shirt made for him that said no triple scoops. I mean, it was cute, like the same thing, but then changed it to no triple scoops. So it was really cute. But my dad would always say, I'm gonna take her out for a triple scoop ice cream. And of course, because he passed away when she was so little, he didn't ever get the opportunity to do so. So it's really kind of sad. And I was sharing that story with my son, who is 19. My daughter's 21. And my son said, I should take her out one day for triple scoop ice cream and just tell her about that. And I was like, oh my gosh, it totally melted my heart. So I think that is awesome. What a caring, sweet boy. So I know my dad is watching over us for sure. And my mom too. So anyway, this says, don't let your ice cream melt while you're counting someone else's sprinkles. Stay cool. Never settle for just 1 scoop. All you need is ice cream. And then there's cute little ice cream full boxes and half boxes. Treat yourself. Ice cream is cheaper than therapy. This is a really cute kit, guys. And this is page 7, and it has all of the functionals. There's unicorn doing laundry, cleaning, sleeping, planning, grocery, payday, car, electric, like laptop or whatever you want to use, like if your internet bill, that's what I'm thinking of. Water, phone, mortgage, electric. Oh, I guess that one's gas, electric. Then there's some pencils and a doctor's and Happy Mail, and then just some cute decorative stickers as well. And you can use these kits for like the whole month. Hello Weekend, all these quarter boxes, some habit trackers, half boxes, and look at this. Oh my word, I love this. I love this, I love this, I love this. So cute. And then here's washi, and you get 2 of those. And then you also get these. Aren't those adorable? This kit is amazing. I believe it's $25. I'm not positive. Check it out yourself at Sweet Kawaii Design and look at her subscriptions. I don't remember like the details of the shipping and stuff. Check it out for yourself because there's lots of different customizing you can do. Well, not lots of, but there's different things that you can do and different sizes you can pick and all of that. So check it out for yourself and see what you think. But I have really been happy with her, and I'm not sponsored at all. I don't get anything for this. I just am a consumer just like you, and I like it, and I thought I'd share. So this is called Ice Cream Dreams. You never know what it's going to be each month, so it's a surprise, which I prefer. I like that. Just because I think it's neat, and sometimes you get to try things that you wouldn't normally pick, or at least that's how I feel about it. I wouldn't normally pick all of them, but doesn't mean I don't love them. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.